Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is related to time period of a satellite. Lastly, we have read about the orbital velocity, and orbital velocity of a satellite comes out to be V naught equals to gr square over r plus h raised to power 1 over 2. And if a satellite is very much close to the surface of Earth, or it is very much close revolving to the earth, then the v naught comes out to be under root gr, and then finally v comes out 7.92 kilometer per second. Now today our topic is time period of satellite. What is time period? Time period is the time taken by satellite to complete one revolution around the earth. That's called as a time period. So simply I will say the time period equals to what? Circumference of orbit over orbital velocity. It is simply the circumference of this very orbit over its orbital velocity. That is simply the circumference is 2 pi, and it is not r, it is r plus h divided with the orbital velocity, that is simply v naught. But we know v naught equals to what? Gr square r plus h raised power this. Then t comes out to be how much? It's 2 pi r plus h over, instead of v naught, what we will write down? We will write down gr square over r plus h raised to power 1 over 2. Or if you are going to solve it out, which implies t equals to what? 2 pi over r, it will be r plus h raised to power 3 by g whole raised to power 1 over 2. This is the expression for what? Time period of a satellite. So time period equals 2 pi times r into r plus h raised to power 3 by g whole raised to power 1 over 2. Now after the knowledge of time period, you should have also the height of satellite. Height of satellite. That very height of satellite can be calculated from the equation as we know now. Time period t equals to what? 2 pi over r times of r plus h raised to power 3 by g raised to power 1 over 2. Now if we will square on both sides, squaring on both sides, what will we get? It will be t square equals to, it will be 4 pi square by r square, then it will be r plus h raised to power 3 over g, or which implies r plus h raised to power 3 equals to, it will be t square r square g, and it will be divided by how much? 4 pi square. Now we have to calculate the h. What will we do? Taking, if we are going to take cube root on both sides, we'll get r plus h equals to t square r square g over 4 pi square raised to power 1 over 3, as we have to calculate h, which implies h equals to t square r square g over 4 pi square raised to power 1 over 3 minus r. This is the expression for what? This is the expression for height of a satellite above the surface of Earth. So for the height of satellite, we have to insert the different values for time period, for radius of the Earth, acceleration due to gravity, and we will get what? we'll get the height of the earth. So simply, if we're gonna the time period comes out to be 2 pi times r plus h raised to power 3 divided by g whole raised power 1 by 2. Then in order to calculate the height of satellite, at what height it should be from the surface of earth, that comes out to be, we carry this very equation first, then we take the cube roots on both sides, and finally we got what, h equals t square r square g by 4 pi square raised power 1 by 3 minus r. This is all for today. Tomorrow I'll be with another lecture. Till then, Allah Hafiz.